Hello everyone. My name is Ramyashri Babu and I'm here to explain about the coursework that I have completed in data management. I have went through different processes including the data loading, data cleaning, ETL process, data warehousing and finally visualization. Let me take you through each process step by step. I'll share my screen now. Yes. So in the task one, I understood what each row in the BIS table means. So here I have created the star schema where each row in the invoice table means that each invoice transaction. Then I created the supporting tables, including the entity table, the BIS spending table, which consists of the description, entity, expenditure type, expense area, expense type, and also the date, which consists of the different formats, including the date format, the month, and the month name. Yeah, month name. This is the star schema that I have created. So, yes, in the task two, I built the pipeline from the database for monthly CSV files into the warehouse. I loaded into the staging table because staging is like a safe area to clean the raw data without damaging it. And also, I changed the name where it has to be the personal expense name with field with my student ID. Yeah, it is here. And I also removed the extra spaces, the null values, and I kept the refund. I kept the negative values because they represent refunds. Finally, I used the provided XML file of invalid suppliers and extracted the names from it and removed those from the suppliers from the staging table before loading into the dimension and the fact table. Yeah, fact table. So here you can see that I have removed all the invalid supplier's name. Yes. Yeah. In the task 3, I explained the issues I saw in the raw data and how I handle them. For example, suppliers' name were inconsistent, date came in different formats, there were duplicates, and there were refunds. Okay, uh, yeah. So here I perform the cleaning because without cleaning the data warehouse means nothing. So it won't be reliable. So staging plus cleaning ensure that the data becomes consistent and final star schema stays accurate for reporting. Yes, here I have cleaned the date formats. I also wrote the procedures so that analysis is repeated and consistent. The first procedure finds the top three suppliers and also by month refunds, reduce the totals automatically. Here I have just calculated the monthly spend and the rank, and also a rank of the each expenses by the time format. Okay. In the next thing, oh sorry. Yeah, here I have calculated the payment of the and the current spend, the previous month spend, and also the percentage. Here I have divided it based on the month and year. I have bifurcated it further. Yes, here I have found which month who spent how much in the current spend. So finally, when it comes to the visualization, I connected it into the Power BI warehouse where the outputs were built into the single dashboard page. As you can see, there are four different SQLs that I performed, the queries that I performed, and the four different. And here you can find out which expenses are high, top spending areas, which changes month to month, and this makes it to explore the different different stages and the different things. So this is the different process that I went through the data warehousing and the visualization also I have shared. So hope this was sufficient. I followed the procedures properly. So yes, thank you so much.